So, Ethan is almost 4 months old. Almost. He's 15 weeks. And he is just has a lot to say right now. What up? Yeah. Turn and look at me. Look at me. Come here, look at me. Look at me. Yeah. Come here. Turn this way. Come here. Turn over this way. Look at me. Look at me. Come here. Come here. Come here. Roll over this way. Ethan. You don't think you're going to? Huh? Hey, look at me. He's doing that foot thing. Pretty soon I'll find him with his hand, I'm sure. Right? Tomorrow he's going to church for the first time. I love whatever you're saying. I love it. I love it. Yeah. I love it. Where are you going? I'm going to come over here and see if he follows me over here. Huh? Ethan? What are you doing? What are you doing? What do you got in there? What do you got? Your whole hand? Your whole hand in your mouth? Hey, look. 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 Are you hungry?